You served, you sacrificed, and now you're home, but that doesn't mean the grind stops. Here are 6 smart hustles for veterans that turn your military mindset into money. Situational awareness. Offer local walkthroughs, install camera systems, and teach basic home safety. Turn your PT background into income. Offer boot camp workouts, virtual training plans, or vet-focused fitness classes. Use your experience in supply chains, transport, or operations to plan events, manage inventory, or do freelance dispatching. Military trained you to solve problems fast. Sell that. Market yourself as a vet-owned fix-anything business. If you've got qualifications, offer firearm safety or self-defense classes. Even virtual consulting if local laws apply. Register for part-time or freelance contracts. Veteran status gives you a foot in the door. You've already done the hard part. Now it's time to work smart. These quiet hustles fit your mindset, and they pay. Which one's calling your name?